Introducing a new enhancement. AnimalCare software has now added measurements. You can choose which measurements your facility are going to add from the administration screen. Let's click on App Settings. And if we scroll down, you'll see that there's a new area called Measurements. We're going to click on Edit. You can add measurements for animals, medical record measurements. You can also add measurements for sections, such as water quality. To add a new measurement, simply select Add. We're going to add one for animals, length, and choose your unit of measurement, in this case length. Your facility may have need to add custom measurements. Let's add one for pH. There's not a standard unit there, so we're going to select Other. Now, to make it clear for your user, you can add in detailed information under the name of your measurement, in this case the range for the pH. Remember to save changes or additions. Now let's take a look at the daily report view and how your staff are going to enter and use measurements. Users will now notice that sections, subsections, and enclosures are now hyperlinked. You can add measurements for any of those. You can also add measurements for the animal. You can add or view. We're going to select View Measurements. You will see displayed the most recent measurement, in this case weight. If we click on View Details over here, we can add a measurement if we'd like. We're going to add a new one here. We're going to add a new weight for today. Enter in that value. Select the unit and save. That becomes the most current weight. Now let's take a look at how you can view those measurements over time. Let's select weight in grams. Any measurements taken previously that were not in grams will automatically be converted for the graph. You can hover over the points of the graph and you can view the measurement along with the date. You can also select a table view to view your measurements over time. You can view measurements where you need them. You can view measurements for animals in medical records, or in this case, in animal inventory. Simply click on links to view your measurements and display graphs as you need them. If you have questions on how to use the new Measurements Enhancement, contact me, Dave, at AnimalCareSoftware.com. Da-da-dum-dum.